It's gonna crack more.
We're lucky it didn't hit that power signal, that box up there. We didn't go that way. Yep, I was doing nothing. He's like, holy fuck. If you could only see what I see right now.
Just get going all slow, waving. Hey. Beep to the black kid.
What's he gonna do with the big, what is it, huge guy, wherever they are? Fucking fall down, they'll come take this down in a second. There's a lot of wire though.
No, we got a shitload of phone calls. So free falling down again. That's how it's fucking rated. Done. When the cops came. I swear, I never got so stupid. Everybody just freeze done. I didn't even do nothing. It was my neighbor. I'm telling him. Like, oh, I forgot my shorts and towels in the car.
Sam, are you currently interested?
They're gonna probably tell us to get off the porch.
Tell me to dick. No.
Well, if you're cutting my cable, I got nothing to watch, so.
We don't even have cable. We have internet.
Yeah, same thing. I watch something on there. We got
That's not Leonard
cable
Wildfire.
from the internet. That's the truck I want to rob right now. That van.
This guy
Guy
texted.
over here. You pharmacy.
Where you going, bud? Delivery is here.
Oh, right, we're in a nervous breakdown.
I need all the opiates and benzos for that.
Hey. Well, when we come back out, probably tomorrow, my towel and my shorts in the back seat. All right?
Tammy.
All right.
Yeah.
Are you the? Who's the
We all live here.
All of us.
Oh, you all live?
Yeah.
I just need somebody's name to call it in, so I could insert it in our report.
Brian,
It's me.
R-I.
No, the cop called it in.
A-N-N-A.
Remember?
W-E-N.
You're a good Samaritan.
Was that city?
Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Central Hudson's called, but then we get a CTA, and then DPW is gonna come and put some horses out.
Central
Walk there.
Hudson was here just the other day looking at it and they never did anything.
Oh, was it cracked or
It
is
started
it?
to crack, but it was not that
Oh,
bad.
no, it is.
I was surprised it didn't come just yesterday when
Exactly.
He looked, and the Central Hudson guy got out the truck, he looked, he got on his phone, and then he left. And it wasn't like, she said it wasn't cracked like that, but you've seen the crack in it, you know. So is somebody coming to take it down?
Well, Central Hudson's gonna come at some point. DPW's gonna come and just block it off so nobody walks under it. So they didn't tell us when they're coming, so they come if they want to come.
That's nice.
Like that?
Yeah, we told them what's going on, so they usually come within 45 minutes when we call, but we'll see. Depends how busy they are.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
We're just gonna get blocked off, that's all. That's dangerous. They get the wind really close to me or whatever. You don't know what to say, the wind is coming down, you know what I'm saying?
And we got live wires going around. Got the better get here.
I knew she was home.
That dude?
It looks familiar.
It looks like Shakuzi. Is it?
He's smaller than Shakuzi.
Is there two of them?
Shakuzi from the jail?
Yeah, it is. It's his brother. It's gotta be.
Ask him.
Shakuzi like shaved his head, right? He had like a long name like that on his shirt.
Yeah, he's beeping at you, but not me.
guys. We'll see you later. Have fun. Is he blocking the road off?
What the hell was that? You heard it? Yeah, it was in the room.
Yeah, I think I just had wind or something here, or no?
No. I was sitting there on my computer, I heard the crack, and like, I bet that was the train.
Really? Was that loud?
Oh yeah,
It was
you did.
like,
I was like, Tammy, I heard it in my bedroom.
I said,
Oh, wow.
I said, Charlie, what the hell was that? I flew out. Didn't have my keys in my car.
I've been recording.
That's hard.
I don't care. I am.
Fuck out of here.
Watch when I get 1,000 views.
Making money over that?
People are gonna look at a tree.
Who feels Central Hudson should come cut this down right now? We're waiting for a week.
It's hot out here.
Well, if we had the power line down.